Alright traders, it's been a while since I released a video talking about my cryptocurrency mining process. So today, I'm just going to talk about my progress on mining cryptocurrency. So I'm not mining with GPU at the moment, and I'm not having any ASIC I'm mining on at the moment. I'm mining a cryptocurrency called Chia. So Chia is a cryptocurrency that we use hard drives to do the mining. So we don't use any GPU or ASIC miner. So this works on proof of space and time. So right here I have about 50 terabytes of hard drive. So each of these are 10 terabytes, and I had one for almost $300. So this is a server that all these hard drives are connected to. And let's look at how mining is going so far. So traders, right here you can see the cryptocurrency being farming over here. So farming is the same as mining. So on my farm I have currently 44 terabytes or terabytes of data. The total network space is about 30 exabytes, and estimated time to win is 5 months. So far I haven't won any block, as I started about 5 months ago. I haven't won any block. So that's how my cryptocurrency mining is going, and I'm connected to a pool called Flex Pool. Flex Pools is the pool I'm mining to at the moment. In just a second, I'm going to show you how much I've made so far mining Chia. So when Chia was released way back in May 2021, it was trading at $1,600. But fast forward, currently Chia is trading around $90, and that was a very sharp turn to the downward direction, and profitability is pretty low around this time when you are mining Chia. So let's head on to FlexPool and see how my dashboard or how my mining progress is over here. Okay traders, so there you go. So my payout threshold is 0.02 XCH. So when it mines and it gets to 0.02, it pays me. And I've joined this pool for 6 months, and the current price of Chia is $93. I currently have only one server or only one worker online. So I just got paid about 1 hour ago, and this is how much I've made so far since I got paid. So my estimated earnings for a day is even below $1, and that's a pretty low money to have when you're mining Chia. Well, one thing I like about mining Chia is that you don't really get to spend a lot of money on electricity bills. So these hard drives do not really consume a lot of power like GPUs and ASIC machines. Over here I think I need to do some cable management since it's pretty crowded over here, and I have to do my labeling. So I just label this hard drive 1, hard drive 2. I have to continue to do this labeling, and I have other hard drives I need to add to the system. Okay, so right here it's showing me that my current space is 47 terabytes, and for the past 24 hours I've been mining on this 47 terabytes. Okay, so that's the information over here. My payouts, so all these ones are payouts. How frequently they've been paying me. Whenever it hits my threshold at 0.02 XCH. In total I've been paid $62. So since I started mining Chia, I've made just $62 in profit. My average duration that they pay is 4 days. So nowadays it's really less, about a day or two I get paid, but this is the average payout duration. So the average transaction fee, okay, those are the information over here. So 1 hour ago I got paid 4 days ago I got paid, 6 days ago I got paid. So the reason why it's 4 days ago right here is that my machine went off and I wasn't around to turn it on. So that's the reason why it kept so long to get another payment. So at the reward section, you see right here, I wasn't mining, so all this plays, the earnings was 0. so averagely I make $1 a day. So within a month I should be making about $30 or $29, and that's a pretty low amount to have when trading around this time. Get it, traders? So basically this is my trading progress. If you have any question, please put it down in the chat section or in the comment section, and let's get your question answered. So pretty much this is how my trading progress has been in the share market.